morning, sir. We would like to welcome you to the UP State Institute of Forensic Science. And so, on this occasion of 75th Constitutional Day, we would like to ask you a few questions.
Sure.
Sir, how can AI-driven cyber defense support forensic investigations while ensuring integrity, privacy, and preventing misuse?
Artificial intelligence uh, can be a real game changer if you really want to bring sanity to the entire investigation and also want to reduce the time lag attached to a complete investigation cycle. Think about it, an organization who is having a significant amount of data in the DNA analysis in millions of pages, and you want to do an analysis for that. It's mission impossible to do it with simple database based work. NoSQL engine with AI technology can be a game changer because it can really reduce the time, and if the models are built in house which is trustworthy, then result can be absolutely calibrated, which can be presented to the court of law in a manner which are acceptable to the court of law.
Okay, sir. And sir, how should we train our youth for a positive impact for society?
India need a million cyber army, and India need more than 1 crore people who are actually cyber trained. And when I say cyber trained, is not the one that they are aware about it. We need cyber engineers. Engineer the one who creates technology, who can write the script to solve the problems. The current tools and technologies are not capable of really managing the attacks. And the fact is, more than 1500 Fortune 2000 company has been hacked in the last 3 years' time, despite an investment of $35 million by each one of them. That means, there is a need for the changing of the game. Cyber is an engineering problem and it required engineer tech solution. And most of the solutions has to be adaptive. It need to be created at the point of time of an event. AI can be a really game changer and we need to build deep capability around it. I'm very happy that Forensic Institute in UP is doing an amazing job creating next generation talent. But I'll expect that we should create more number of engineers than the operators.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.